Hi everyone. Today listen we have about a story about grandfather and his grandson. Once upon a time, a young boy named Jake lived with his grandfather, Grandpa Joe, in a small village. Grandpa Joe was a kind and wise man who had lived a fulfilling life. He loved sharing stories and teaching Jake valuable lessons. One day, Jake asked Grandpa Joe, "What's the secret to a happy life?" Grandpa Joe smiled and said, "Come with me, Jack." They walked to the village square where Grandpa Joe pointed to a large tree. "See this tree, Jack. It's strong and resilient, just like life. The roots represent our foundation, our values, and our family. The trunk represents our strength and resilience. The branches represent our choices and decisions, and the leaves represent our happiness and fulfillment." Jack listened intently as Grandpa Joy continued, "Just like the tree, we must nourish our roots, strengthen our trunk, and make wise choices to reach our full potential. And always remember, happiness comes from within, just like the leaves that grow from the tree's inner strength." Jack's eyes widened with understanding. From that day on, he lived his life with purpose and gratitude, always remembering Grandpa Joy's wisdom. Years passed, and Jack grew up to be a wise and compassionate man just like his grandfather. He never forgot the lessons learned under the tree and passed them down to his own children and grandchildren. Now, I would like to share with all of you moral about the story what I shared to all of you. Moral: the story of Grandpa Joy and Jake spread throughout the village, inspiring others to cultivate their own roots, strength, and happiness.